Yes, this is another 360 video. Do not forget 360, swipe left, right, up, down to see the entire view around you. Here we've got Buckingham Palace, and this guy, he wants to fall. Go ahead. Okay. Alright. It's a hell of a walk. But I'm trying to get on the other side. Look, I might not walk round all of that tonight. But I'm going to cut to this. No. In other words, it's too long for me to walk around. How about I cut under? Ah! That was cheeky, but I'm stuck. Oh, I almost made it. What? Oh, I can make it now. Yeah. Buckingham. I have never heard of a ham bucking. I've heard of horses bucking. Here we are. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace. I guess they turn the water off over there. There's no water on. And we've got the guards. And someone is coming out of the gate. I wonder who it is. The gate is open. Is it 7 important? No. It's 3 guys with guns. No, 2 guys and a girl. There we go. Ain't no one coming. How do you do? Yeah. Here we are. One guy there. How does he pee? I wonder, how does he pee? That's a trick question. When he has an itch, how does he scratch? Yeah. Ah, this is boring. Very, very boring. There's a bunch of people taking pictures behind the gate. Very boring. But this is Buckingham Palace, where they have no Alice, but they will shoot you with no malice. Yeah. That's it. Up the stairs we go. A bunch of people. You know, it tends to be a trend. Everyone just sits and stares. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, this is the Italian crew.
Ale keďže Buckinghamský palác má len okolo 240 miestností, tak celá rodina kráľovská nebýva spolu, ale jednotliví príslušníci majú pridelené 2 pár. Som hovorila, že Kate s Williamom majú Kensingtonský palác, za nami hneď za chrbtom ulice Mall.
You're the bodyguard for today. There we go. Up the stairs. Everyone does nothing here. Few statues. What the statues are is beneath me. There's a woman. Oh, there's another woman here. There's a woman there, a woman here, and a man there. And what the hell is that supposed to be? A woman and a child with a piece of stick. Oh, is she?
If you guess it, let me know.
Is she supposed to take the sword to kill her?
You mean the bottom?
This one here.
I don't know.
She has a sword.
Yeah.
And she's crying, please don't kill me. And,
Maybe,
the child is like, yeah, when you die, we'll roast you with this piece of wood.
Maybe she's, I don't know, the angel of the sword. I don't know.
I do not understand it. If you know what this is, let me know. We have no idea
No.
what it is.
Just tell him. Tell him. He needs to know.
I need to know. I have no idea what's going on, but she's crying.
Have fun, man.
Yeah, I'm trying. My brain is hurting. Hey, go on with your bad self, Vicky. Go on with your bad self, Vicky. Hey, Vicky. Should I say Victoria? Why go on, Vicky? Damn it, Vicky, you can smile a bit, you know. Vicky doesn't smile. What? Why isn't Vicky smiling? What's wrong with Vicky? Vicky is rich. She owns all of this, and she's not smiling.
Why not?
I would be smiling.
It's not that.
Come on, Vicky. Mad Vicky, mad Vicky. And over here, hey, this is statue pornography, you know. I don't know this, you know. And there's another one here. What the hell is that supposed to be? But it is what it is. Yeah. Won't knock it. Two dudes. There's a dude and a woman looking there on the other side. Another statue. Listen to me, I'm not an artist. So I've got no idea what none of this stuff means. I'm just trying my best. And you know, that's a lie. There's no way she can be walking with a lion. She would have been dead.
That's right.
That's a lie. She would have been dinner. And she did not pose for that long. Ah, that's a lie. My gosh. Yeah. That's what it is. Buckingham Palace. Where they kill you with no malice. To me personally, it's boring as hell. Boring as hell. But everyone comes to England to see Buckingham Palace. That's your tour and my interpretation of Buckingham Palace. Don't forget, subscribe or find you, like or I'll hate you, share or won't give you any more. Something like that. Buckingham Palace. Don't forget 360, shake, right. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. I shouldn't have, but couldn't help myself, you know? Who there? The chambermaid. Ah, chambermaid. I can only guess.
I think you're right.
I think she's a chambermaid. And who might you be, sir? Looking all smithy for the occasion, sir? He ain't saying that shit to me. It's alright.
I like that one.
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool.